Now, if you come here to the Configure TCM button, this is kind of where you should start your Training Center Manager experience, just by clicking it and basically filling out all of the various fields. Field number 1 is going to be the Training Center name, so basically the name of the organization running the courses as you would like to see on the rosters and various pieces of correspondence. So this should basically be your organizational identity. This might say ABC Medical Center, Training Center, or it might be University of XYZ Training Center, etc. The street address, city, name, and zip of the training center that you'd want the correspondence to go to, the website, the phone number, the fax number, and the email of the training center. The importance is to understand that all of these fields are used in sending correspondence, whether that's setting up a form letter or perhaps even just putting contact info at the end of an email, etc. A couple of other pieces that are important: the ECSI, or Emergency Care and Safety Institute Educational Center name, so the name of the organization as registered with ECSI. This is probably not relevant unless you're an ECSI training center. AHA-CTC, again, this is the organizational name who bears the training center status for AHA trainings, if any of you do Heart Association training. Keep in mind this is not always, although it is commonly the same as the name of the organization. Some of you might be training sites, thus up here you would use the name of your organization, and down here you would use the name of the training center you're site through. So just keep that in mind. Your AHA contact info, whether it's the address or phone. Regions typically like the address, although sometimes it's not practical, but this will display on the back of the newer cards for the Heart Association, so it's important to put the accurate information there that your region wants you to put. ASHI Training Center would be the identification number that the American Safety and Health Institute uses to track you, and likewise the same thing for your medic first aid training centers. So keep in mind, this just specific to ECSI, these two specific to Heart Association centers, this to ASHI and this to medic first aid. Over here are AHA site designations. This is going to be a little pick list if you click on it that allows you to fill out the various AHA training sites that work under the center that you might have to print cards for. So again, if you're a center and you have 3 sites, you might list all of those here. Now back to the main menu.